Hi, I'm Annette Hefner, and this is my baby's story. My baby was born in February 7, 1996 at Baptist Hospital in Nashville, Tennessee. She was born after abruption and required ventilation support and a blood transfusion. She also required 2 chest tubes. But believe it or not, after 2 weeks of being in the intensive care unit, and thanks to a lot of love and a lot of prayer, my baby was able to come home. Now she's 11 years old and plays on a select soccer team. Has very strong lungs thanks to a lot of running. And today, the only residual side effect is the chest tube marks that mark her little body. Anyway, so don't ever give up hope. And her being in the NICU led me to become an NICU nurse. I work at Vanderbilt and see lots of these stories every day. And thanks to people like the March of Dimes who helps families and helps the preemies, it's all worthwhile in today's medicine. Thanks.